What's going on, YouTube family? Garrett back at you guys with another video. Today we are doing some retail arbitrage, but first got 2 pairs to ship out on Goat, got another shipment going to Amazon, and get ready guys, it's Q4, it's time to ramp up, it's time to purchase as much inventory as possible, flood Amazon with as much inventory as possible. If you've ever decided to go balls to the walls, all in, this is the time. Start preparing, because at the end of October, sales are gonna start picking up and it's gonna get crazy. So just gonna be bringing you guys along for the journey, but sold some Vapor Maxes, sold some of these Air Max 95s. So we're gonna package those up, put the shipment out for UPS to pick up later, and we're gonna hit the stores. Let's go. Quick tip here, if you guys are selling shoes on Goat without the top, obviously we don't want our shoes flipping around, getting damaged inside of the boxes. So obviously you can use bubble wrap, which I recommend. But for me to kind of hold these shoes in place, what I do is I take these poly bags, I rip them down the sides, like so. And then, doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be glamorous. Just get the job done, keep them in place. I fold the poly bag over, take the sticky part off right here. I don't know if you guys can see this, right here. And then I just simply fold it over. So now the shoes are in place. So if they're inside the box, they're not gonna get damaged, so on and so forth. So just wanted to share that quick tip with you guys. I actually forgot to schedule a UPS pickup, so I'm going to do that right now before it's too late here. If you guys didn't know, way easier to schedule a pickup for UPS. It's like $6, $7, depending if you got a retail location or if you got a home address. You can click it, it's going to be like $11, but if you don't click it, they're still going to pick it up regardless. So just going to schedule that real quick, go get all the stuff put outside, and we're going to hit the store. Let's go. Alrighty guys, just got to Ross. Gonna go in and see what they got, but I think I might have ran into a honey hole here. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see here. Office Max is right next door to Ross, and it says they are closing. So they're having a big closeout sale. Not sure how good it's gonna be, but I'm gonna go to Ross and then I'm gonna go in there and see if we can score some profits. Let's go. I feel like Staples just totally lied to me. They said they're going out of business, but the highest discounted product was only 30% off. So picture that. Some of these stores wonder why they're going out of business when their closeout discounted prices are still higher than what Amazon is charging for these items. I mean, 10% off a calculator that you can still get for about 20% cheaper on Amazon. I mean, when are these retail stores gonna get the hint here? But at the second Ross, crushed it at the last one, got out 2 carts full of stuff, spent about $400. Good profit to be made, so let's go on in. hit a bunch of stores, didn't want to keep being repetitive, showing the same Ross every time, picking up the same items, but filling up the back of my truck here. The whole bed of the truck is completely full. So we're running out of space here, but I'm at the mall, gonna run into Nike real quick, get 30 items, head home, unload, and I'm gonna give you guys items I've sold in the last month on Amazon doing retail arbitrage. Stay tuned, let's go. All right guys, back at the shop, gotta unload all of the cargo, AKA inventory I bought today. And then we're gonna go over these items that you guys can be on the lookout for, because you guys always know I hook you up with the hot bolos to go look for the free. So yeah, let's go get this inventory unloaded and get started. All right, we're back, got that taken care of. Now let's get into the fun stuff. All right, the first item I sold is going to be this Kodak 1500 piece puzzle. I picked this up at Target for $8.99. Full price retail, sold it for $26, made a profit of roughly $9. Next is an item, I always find items exactly like this one. It's a Solia Professional Ceramic Flat Iron. Girls love doing their hair. I always find these, Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Pretty much every store has these items. If you can get them at a good enough price, they're always good sellers. Just make sure you're getting the right brands. But picked this up for $17.99, sold it for $48.95, made a nice $20 profit. Next is going to be this Jurassic World Grab and Growl dinosaur thing, toy. Picked it up for $14.99, sold it for $44.89. Nice, again, $20 profit, can't beat it. Next are going to be these Barbie toys I picked up for $10, sold them all for $26.52. Leaving me with a nice around $7.50 profit. Again, not every item you're gonna pick up is going to be a huge ROI, but the goal is to keep the volume, keep the product flowing in and out, keep that cash flow coming in and getting a return on your money. Still 75% return on a $10 investment is not bad. I picked up about 10 of these. So another item, a single item I found, 75 bucks profit. It all starts to add up, especially if you're doing this on a consistent basis. Next item, I actually gave this out as a bolo in my last video. So if you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you're staying up to date with all the content I'm putting out, because you could have made money on this item. There might still be some out there. Picked these up at Burlington for $19.99, these Baby Alive dolls. Sold them for $52, nice $15 profit. I sold like 12 or 15 of these. So make sure you guys are staying tuned for my next video. It's gonna be all about Q4, how to crush it for Q4. Also guys, I was thinking of possibly creating a group for Q4 limited to 50 to 100 people. Been getting some DMs on Instagram and stuff asking me if I'm doing anything like that. So if that's something you guys would be interested in, I'll do it. If not, I'm just not even gonna waste my time. But I'd be happy to do a small group, 50 people, maybe 100, I don't know. Bolos, online arbitrage, all that good stuff. If that's something you'd be interested in, again, it'd be for only people who have, are ungated and things like toys and stuff like that. If your account's gated and most of the stuff, it wouldn't be helpful for you. If you're interested in something like that, let me know down in the comments below. And that's gonna wrap it up for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yeah.